In this video, I'll show you how to enable VoLTE on your Google Pixel for clearer calls and faster connections. Let's get started. Before enabling VoLTE, make sure your carrier supports VoLTE. VoLTE is enabled on your mobile plan. Now open Settings on your Pixel phone and tap Network and Internet. Then select SIMs. Now choose your active SIM. Scroll down and tap Preferred Networks. Select LTE or 4G. On some Pixel models, this may appear as Use LTE for calls. After enabling VoLTE, restart your Pixel phone. This ensures the setting is applied properly. That's it. VoLTE is now enabled on your Google Pixel. If this helped, like, share and subscribe for more Pixel tips. Thanks for watching.